So I just pulled up to do a service call. I got a broken shaft on his tractor, and he got a dump truck beds, he got trailers, all type of stuff he need a little work on. But this is what we fabricating first. This is one they had got welded up on the other side of town. And here go the one that broke over here. So I done already cleaned it up real good and prepared it for my new plates. They should be in any minute now. It's at my machine. So everything good and set up. This is my 220 480 stick welder, TIG welder. So I got my plugs hooked up. So this is a very good machine, man. You can use it for on lifts, if you're using lifts and welding off of scissor lifts, boom lifts. You can use it for shops. So I got like two to three different plug-ins for it. So this is a great weld. I got a deal on this one, and works great. Like I say, I keep about 100 foot of lead on me. This is about 50 foot a piece right here, and I got everything set up to knock this out. So that's what I'm doing today. Get my hog on. Black Phoenix, I'm out.